Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can clear rows or entire columns in your documents on Google Sheets really quickly. So let us get started. So let's assume you have a table or spreadsheet like this one here, and one of your rows or columns features quite a lot of data, and instead of deleting cell by cell or clearing cell by cell, you want to bulk delete or remove or clear the entire row. This is how you can do it, guys. You may, for example, clear, let's say, row number 7 with all its cells content without deleting the row itself. It's only clearing. So this is how you can do it, guys. Right click on the given row or column, and instead of deleting it, let me do that, for example. In this case, the row would be deleted. Let me undo that. Instead of doing that, right click on it and select clear row, and that is going to delete only the data in these cells within that row, but keeping the row itself intact. And that's how we do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we catch you later.